Welcome students. Let us continue our discussion for the topic kinetics of particles 1 by solving some more examples. And the next example is figure shows a conveyor belt transporting packages of 20 kgs. It has a coefficient of friction as 0.15. If the speed of conveyor is 3 meter per second and it suddenly stops, determine the time required and the distance the package will slide on the conveyor before coming to. There is a block of mass 20 kg which is on the conveyor, which is moving at a velocity of 3 meter per second. So let us assume that this is moving in this direction with a velocity of 3 meter per second. And let us say because of some emergency, this conveyor has to be suddenly stopped. So when it is stopped, suddenly this package will slide some distance on the belt. So what is required? The required is how much distance, let us say this x, how much distance the package will slide before coming to rest, and what will be the time required. This is the question which is asked. So let us start with the solution. We are given that the initial velocity of the conveyor is 3 meter per second. So I will write u is equal to 3 meter per second. Also it is given that it is suddenly stopping. So I will write v is equal to 0. Then the coefficient of friction between this belt and the block is given to us as 0.15. So I will write 0.15 here as mu, and we need to find out what is displacement and what is the time. Now to find out displacement and time, we need to use equation of motion, which are either s is equal to ut plus half at square, or it can be v is equal to u plus at, or it can be equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now if you observe all these three equations, every equation contains this term, that is acceleration. So my first step will be to find out the value of acceleration, and then we can proceed further for the displacement and time. Now for acceleration, what we will do, we will make a free body diagram of this particular package, that is of 20 kg. So let us start with that. So there is a package of 20 kg on the conveyor. There is no applied force, so we will not show it. Next force to be shown is the self weight. So I will show it like this, vertically downwards, with a value of 20 into 9.81. Next is the reaction from contact surface. Yes, as this package is in contact with the conveyor, there will be a contact reaction from the conveyor to the body or to the package, and let it be N. Also we have assumed that this package or this conveyor is moving towards right side with a velocity of 3 meter per second. Hence the friction force will be towards left side with a value of 0.15 N, which is equal to, where this 0.15 is value of mu. So with this we have completed showing all the forces acting on the body. Now next step is to show the force, which is the D'Alembert force. And D'Alembert force, as we know, it is in the direction opposite to the direction of acceleration. Hence I will make one force here which is in the direction opposite to acceleration, and the value will be m into a, that is 20 into a, because mass is given to us as 20. Now we can apply the condition of equilibrium to this entire system. So applying the conditions of equilibrium, so first condition I will use summation of Fy is equal to 0. So there are two forces, one is this one 20 into 9.81, and another is this one n. So I will write positive n, which is going upwards, minus 20 into 9.81 is equal to 0, and from here I can get the value of n as 196.2 newtons. Next step, summation of Fx should be 0. So I have forces in x direction as 20 ax and 0.15 n. So I will write minus 20 ax minus 0.15, because both are towards left side, should be equal to 0, out of which the value of n we have already found out as 196.2. So I will substitute that value and I will get answer for ax as minus 1.47. So earlier we have discussed that to solve any equation of motion, the primary requirement is the acceleration, which we have just found out. Now we can apply any of the equation of motion to find out the required answer for time and distance. So let us start with the first equation, which says v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So v we already know as 0, u we already know as 3 meter per second, acceleration we just found out as minus 1.47, and this is the requirement which we need to find out, the displacement. So substituting the values, I will get the answer for SS, that is the distance the package will slide before coming to rest is 3.058 meters. So this is one of the answer. For second answer, we can use any other equation of motion, that is, let us say v is equal to u plus at. Again, we know the value of v, we know the value of u, we know the value of a, and we will get the required answer for t. So I will get the answer for t as 2.04 seconds, the time required for this package to come to rest. So with this, we have completed the things which are asked in the question, that is the displacement and the time. Thank you.